How's it, buggers? Yeah, so I just got a call from my old lady and old man. The Carr brothers who went to Saints, Tyrone and Dylan. I don't know if you oaks remember them, but Tyrone was he played first team cricket. He was the wicket keeper in our final year. Strange characters, but I mean Tyrone he was a nice guy. I mean, we spoke to him a lot, and he seemed pretty normal and stuff. Dylan was the younger one, a bit of a crazy kid, a bit off the rails and aggressive, and always getting into fights at Saints. I'm sure you all remember. But anyway, yeah. So my folks just phoned me, um, and they said, so what happened was Dylan, the younger one, was on drugs, and he was basically beating his mom up, Samantha Carr, for more money to get drugs, and this has been going on for months apparently. Um, and he obviously was like beating her to a pulp and knocked all her teeth out. And then in January this year, um, he went at her again, and apparently was beating her up. And Tyrone, they had a gun in the house, and Tyrone went and got the gun and shot his brother dead. And Tyrone and his mom then went and buried Dylan in the backyard of their garden and left him there in January, and kept quiet about it and went on with their lives. This is in Harare, man. This is flipping crazy. So then what happened yesterday, Glenbrook Jackson, one of his drivers was hit by Tyrone their cars collided, and they went to the police station or something, and the driver's in critical care. So Glenbrook Jackson went down to the police station, and he basically said, yeah, what's the story? What happened? And then Tyrone apparently broke down and said, I won't be able to live with myself if this guy dies too, because I've already done this to my brother, and it's eating away at my conscience. So they arrested him, and then Glenbrook Jackson called Jumbo Davidson, and they went with the cops to the house, and they dug up the body. It was there. So now Tyrone and his mom are in jail, and they say they're not going to get out. That's the end of them. I mean, I don't know what. I mean, Gonzo, you would know more about what happens from there, or you buggers in Zim. I don't know if they're ever going to get out of there. But yeah, and then I just clarified the story with Stu Cameron, and he was like, yeah, man, this is exactly as it went down. So, fucking hell. Jeez, like, I mean, that's like out of a movie. I can't even wrap my head around this.